that makes sense. Like here, he has my energy now because I'm resisting him, and he has my energy, so we're sort of connected. And then
The moment you start plucking the joints, the mind comes back in, and yeah. So you have to go feeling his line to the ground and grabbing that, not this. So I'm grabbing his tension and creating the effect. And as soon as I have that connection, now I don't need to grab anymore. And it's just the connection's just there. Yeah, but you start with this, and you remove that, and it's just, he touches, and you switch on the magnetic. And his intention to hold me and grab me and touch me gets magnetized, and the effect happens.
okay.